I'm Dr. Keith Kramer, chiropractor and owner of Senara Health and Med Spa in Peoria, Illinois. So patients will ask me what that popping or cracking noise is when I get an adjustment. And all that is gas releasing from the joints. It's not even a necessary thing. There are many techniques that do not make that cracking or popping noise. In fact, a lot of times patients will ask me, do I have to have my neck cracked or my back cracked? And I'll say, no, we have many techniques that do not make that sound. If you don't like the sound, I will absolutely adapt. And the cracking or popping noise, it doesn't mean your bones are crumbling or that I'm breaking anything. It's literally just gas releasing from the joints. I'm Dr. Keith Kramer. Live life well.